Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best gnome garden is probably one of the most charming additions you can make to your outdoor space. These whimsical figurines bring a touch of magic and personality, transforming any ordinary garden into a delightful wonderland. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, a gnome garden can spark joy and creativity, making your outdoor space a true reflection of your personality. Number 5. Dinosaur Gnomes Garden Statues, Outdoor Yard Decoration. These garden gnome statues are meticulously hand-painted with vibrant colors. Each part is crafted from long-lasting resin and adorned with UV-resistant paint, ensuring its durability and high-quality finish. This garden gnome figurine is a good gift choice. It's a perfect present for family and friends on Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthdays, and Mother's Day. It's also a great housewarming gift. This dinosaur gnome statue is made of high-quality resin and has excellent weatherproof performance. It's an adorable decoration for your garden, lawn, patio, and yard, making your home more lively. Crafted from resilient resin, this garden gnome Trek statue is built to endure harsh weather conditions. It can withstand scorching sun, torrential rain, and occasional snowfall throughout the year. Perfect as garden decor, it's suitable for gardens, trees, flowers, flower beds, fences, and walkways. Add fun to your patio, garden, or backyard. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Our experienced customer service team will respond within 24 hours. These outdoor decorative figurines provide a 90-day replacement or risk-free refund warranty. What we like. This dinosaur gnome statue is meticulously hand-painted, showcasing exquisite craftsmanship. It's built to endure harsh weather, making it perfect for any outdoor space. If you're looking for a unique and durable garden decoration, this is a fantastic choice, especially if you want to add a touch of whimsy to your yard. What people say. The solar lights are a great addition and work well. The details on the gnome are great. The product is well made. Number 4. Gnome Garden Solar Statue, Perfect Mom Gift. This adorable gnome statue is perfect for any garden. It adds a touch of whimsy and charm to any outdoor space, making it a delightful addition to your yard. The statue is incredibly easy to use. Simply switch it on, and it charges in the sun during the day. At night, it automatically lights up, creating a magical ambience. The lamp-bearing gnome design is fun and unique. It's a great way to decorate your garden or even your living room, bringing a smile to your face. Made to withstand the elements, this statue is both durable and waterproof. It can handle rain, snow, and sunshine, ensuring it lasts for years to come. Looking for a perfect gift? This solar light statue is ideal for any occasion. It's a great present for mom, dad, or any friend or colleague. We are confident that you'll love this product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us within 30 days of purchase, and we'll resolve any issues. What we like. This solar gnome features an easy on-off switch and charges automatically in the sun. It's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. If you like low-maintenance, charming garden decor that lights up at night, this solar gnome is a perfect fit for your garden. What people say. The solar lights are a nice touch. The details on the gnome are great. The product is well made. Number 3. Leekung Garden Gnome Statue. This adorable gnome is ready to bring joy to your home. It measures 8.25 inches tall and is perfect for both indoor and outdoor decoration. This gnome is made with durable resin and hand-painted in a natural woodstone color. The weather-resistant coating ensures it will last for years to come. Place this gnome in your garden, on your patio, or even inside your home. It's sure to add a touch of whimsy and warmth to any space. Gnomes are known as protectors of the home and bringers of good fortune. This figurine is a great gift for any occasion, bringing smiles and good luck. Each gnome is carefully packaged to ensure it arrives safely. We offer a 100% return or refund if you're not completely satisfied with it. What we like. This gnome is hand-painted in a natural woodstone color, giving it a vintage look. It's crafted with durable materials to withstand various weather conditions. If you're looking for a charming, weather-resistant gnome to bring a warm atmosphere to your home, consider this one. What people say. The solar lights are a nice touch. The details are amazing. It is well made and looks great in the garden. Number 2. BangBangDa Fairy Garden Gnomes Decoration Kit. These adorable gnomes are perfect for creating your own fairy garden. They are made from durable, hand-painted resin and are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The gnomes are crafted with a sun protection coating and are waterproof. This ensures that they can withstand the elements and remain vibrant for years to come. Place them on your lawn, under a tree, or in a flower pot. You can also use them in a glass terrarium or an old bowl. The possibilities are truly endless. Everyone loves gnomes, making this set an ideal gift. It includes a fishing gnome, boat, fish, and a gnome's house, along with many other accessories. With 17 updated accessories, it's easy to design your own gnome fairy tale garden. Start a new family tradition and let your children believe in magic. The set comes in a stunning designer gift box, perfect for giving. The items are carefully packed in styrofoam and individual baggies to ensure they arrive safely. What we like? These miniature gnomes are made from durable, hand-painted resin, perfect for indoor or outdoor fairy gardens. It comes with various accessories to help you design your own fairy tale garden. If you enjoy creating whimsical scenes and want a fun project for all ages, this set will be a great choice. What people say? The solar lights are a nice touch. The details on the gnome are great. The product is well made. Number 1. Nacome Solar Gnome Statue, Garden Decor. This adorable solar gnome statue is perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to any outdoor space. It's a delightful addition to your garden, lawn, or porch, bringing smiles to everyone who sees it. Powered by solar energy, this statue is both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. During the day, it converts sunlight into electricity, storing it in a rechargeable battery for use at night. Using this statue is incredibly easy. Just switch it on and place it in direct sunlight. The solar panel will charge during the day, and the LED lights will automatically illuminate at night. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This solar gnome statue comes in a beautifully designed box, making it an ideal present for various occasions. It's a great choice for mom, grandma, or any special woman in your life. This charming statue is designed to enhance your home and garden decor. Place it in your garden, on your porch, or in your backyard to create a welcoming and enchanting atmosphere. We take your satisfaction seriously. If you have any questions or concerns about this product, please contact the seller directly for a satisfactory after-sales guarantee. Order it without any worries. What we like? This solar gnome statue is powered by the sun and lights up automatically at night. It comes in a beautifully designed box, making it a perfect gift. If you're looking for a charming and easy-to-use garden decoration, especially as a gift, this one is a great choice. What people say? The solar lights are a nice touch. The details are amazing. It is well made and looks great in the garden. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.